Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Dawn Ndyria, back at you again with another video, like I said, okay? And in this video, I promised last week that I'd be sharing a video with you on how to take a spiritual bath and why you want a spiritual bath. Now that last video that I just did on empath, on how you know you're an empath, that was just something brief, something quick, because I want to get the videos out and not have people hanging, I'm still working outside the home, and I do a lot, okay? I do a lot. I'm just sharing, actually, before I get into the video. I do a lot outside of just YouTube videos, all right? So, with all that being said, thank you everyone who is subscribed to the channel, like the video, shared the videos, commented on videos. I just so appreciate your overall support and love. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So in this video, it's about how and why you want to take a spiritual bath. Okay? Now, last video I did was on an empath, on whether you're an empath, on how you know you're an empath. I'm not sure what I titled it just yet. The best way to not, you're going to have to look at that video. I'll leave the card up at the top or at the end of this video. The best thing you want to do is take a spiritual bath, because when you are an empath, you're taking on other people's energies. And taking a spiritual bath is the best way that I know of to get all that stickiness and stuff off of you. It's clearing your aura. That is the reason for taking a spiritual bath. Okay, straight up, that's it. Okay, you're cleaning off anyone's negative energy that attached to yours. All right, because I'm not going to say just as light workers, but if you're a light worker and you're an empath and you're doing work with other individuals, like you're doing card readings, you're a Reiki worker, you're doing massages, you're putting your hands on other people, you're taking on their energy, and it is a good idea to take a spiritual bath consistently. Now, it's up to you as to how often you want to take the spiritual bath. I've heard some people say you should only take it once a month. There's no rules to this. When I first started taking spiritual baths, I've been taking spiritual baths now for about 2 years. When I first started, Spirit was like, take another one, take a spiritual bath. I was taking spiritual baths every night, okay, every single night. After I came home from work, I was taking a spiritual bath. I was taking a spiritual bath because I had to clear that energy off of me. Now it's like once a week, maybe. It depends. It depends. I'm always taking a spiritual bath during a full moon and a new moon, but it's not always because I'm cleansing myself from anyone's negative energy per se. It's just that I'm connecting with the moon's energy when I'm taking a spiritual bath that way. So there's several different ways and reasons for taking a spiritual bath. But one way is because you want to clear negative energy off of you, off of your aura. You want to get rid of any negative energy that came onto you from someone else at work, family gathering, just out and about, And then the second reason is because you want to connect with the energy of the moon. Now, those are the two reasons why I take them, and that's why I'm sharing that. I'm sure there are other reasons out there that people take spiritual baths, but I just want to share the reasons why I actually take a spiritual bath. And the ingredients that you would need if you just want to be basic is Florida water. Most definitely, you need your Florida water for your spiritual bath. Pink Himalayan salt, sea salt or sea salt, both. Those two things is really all you need for your spiritual bath. Me, myself, y'all know, you've seen I've shared spiritual baths before, and I just get deep with it. Okay, I'm going to leave the ingredients down in the description. But Florida water is what I use, sea salt, pink Himalayan salt, Epsom salt. There are different spiritual baths that I get from my local Botanica for different things. And I've shared that. I'll probably share that at the end of the video. It was for a new moon or a full moon that I was doing. I forget which one it was. And I shared all the different ingredients that I use for that spiritual bath. And that's how you take a spiritual bath. Baths. How often, it depends on you. Depends on how you're feeling. Okay? There's no rules. There are no rules to this. So that is the reason why you take a spiritual bath. The reason why you want to take a spiritual bath, one, is because you want to get rid of other people's energy that is attached to your aura. It's negative. It doesn't feel good to you. So you want to cleanse that off of you. The second reason is because you want to connect to the energy of the moon. All right? And that's it. That's the reason why you take a spiritual bath, how you take a spiritual bath, and how often you want to take a spiritual bath. If you have any questions for me on how to take a spiritual bath and why, please leave them down below in the comments, and I will definitely get back to you. You know that. And I love you guys so much. Take care. Have a good one. I love you.